Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make avocado toast. First, select a perfectly ripe avocado, which should feel slightly soft when gently squeezed. Next, choose your preferred bread. A thick-cut sourdough or a hearty whole wheat works wonderfully. Then, toast your bread to a beautiful golden crispness, ensuring it's warm and ready for the creamy avocado. Now, let's prepare the star of our dish. Carefully slice your ripe avocado in half lengthwise and remove the large pit. Using a spoon, scoop all the vibrant green flesh into a small bowl. Then, with a fork, gently mash the avocado until it reaches a smooth, creamy consistency, leaving a few small chunks for texture. With your avocado mashed, it's time to season it perfectly. Add a generous pinch of sea salt to enhance its natural flavors. A dash of freshly ground black pepper will also add a lovely subtle kick. Now, take your perfectly toasted bread and spread the creamy, seasoned avocado generously from edge to edge. To elevate your avocado toast, consider some delightful finishing touches. A light drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil adds richness and a glossy finish. For those who enjoy a little heat, a sprinkle of red pepper flakes provides a wonderful spicy kick. Your perfect avocado toast is now ready to be savored and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.